You are live on Slymedia. Thank you so much for joining us. We are at the Magistrate Court where Tendai Biti and other MDC Alliance members have been held before the courts to answer the charges of public nuisance. We'll give you more information when they come out of the court later on. Thank you so much. Here we have seen Jacob Mavume, the MDC Alliance President Kone and Chamisa, entering into the court in support of the Vice President Biti. In fact, the two Vice Presidents who have just been brought before the courts were arrested yesterday for public nuisance at the Harvest House building when they asked to enter into the building, and they were denied access to the building. Earlier on, we had a press conference with Monzora and Komichi, who were also claiming that the building, which is the Harvest House, was handed over peacefully, something which the MDC Alliance members deny happened that way, because they claimed that the police didn't bring with them a court order that allowed them to occupy the building. Thank you so much. We'll continue to give you an update. We are here live waiting for them to come out of the court, and then we'll go live again. In the meantime, continue to share this live broadcast and like our Facebook page so that you will receive notifications of what's transpiring every day as we cover and bring you the current affairs in Zimbabwe. My name is Sylvester Tapumane. We are live here. I'll be with you shortly as soon as they come out of the court. Thank you for watching.